Well, it's snowing again, but this is Alberta. If you don't like the weather, wait an hour and it'll change. Oh, security alarm camera went off. So I'm going to do a little shoveling. It's just because you stay on top of it, it won't stay on top of you. Always remember, never forget, if life is going in the wrong direction, change direction. And also, if you got a 300-foot driveway and it snows, get a quad with a blade or a tractor or something. I mean, you're not going to stay young forever. I gotta leave some in the center here, just too much to shovel, but just need it low enough so my truck doesn't high center. Got a 4x4, so she'll get through. 1 hour later. Not perfect, but good enough. Good enough for my Ford F-150. It's not a Ranger, but it's a Ford F-150. Put another log on fire, fire. Cook me up some bacon and some beans. Go downstairs and make you finish the laundry. Split some wood and come and talk to me. Come on, baby. You gotta wash those dishes and go feed the baby. Cook me up a nice apple pie. Sit on at the table, my sweet baby. Hey, come and tell me why you're leaving me. Come on, baby. Okay, I won't quit my day job. But it's another good thing about being out in the country, you see. Miles from anyone. You can sing, you can dance like no one's looking. Because 99% of the time, no one is looking. Shit, I'm losing weight though. I don't know why. I mean, just doing a little honest work. But no pay. But look at all this freedom I got. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed my shoveling video. It's actually not bad out here. I think it's only like -5. I gotta see how the solar panels are doing. Though there's nothing for sunlight, but we don't want them covered in snow. Oh shit! Another chore for Steve. Another chore for Steve. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. And remember, if you're lost in the bush, I'd say you're better off to pick the man than the bear. But maybe I'm a little biased.